In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your address on a Shopify packing slip. If you're in the process of customizing your Shopify store and are considering some changes, one area that often gets overlooked is the packing slip. This small piece of paper accompanies your packages and contains vital information about the order. Sometimes you might want to keep certain details private, such as your address. So, how exactly can you manage this? Don't worry, I've got you covered. We'll start by accessing the settings area. This is where most customization options reside. Head over to the bottom left of your Shopify dashboard. You'll find an option labeled Settings. Click on this to open the main settings page. This area is essentially the control center for various configurations in your store. Next, direct your attention to the left panel. You'll notice an option called Shipping and Delivery. Give that a click. This section governs all the things related to how you send out your products, so it's the perfect spot for us to customize your packing slip. Once you're in the Shipping and Delivery area, you'll want to scroll down slightly until you see an option labeled Packing Slip Templates. Clicking on this will open up a new area where your packing slip templates are stored. This is where the magic happens. Within the Packing Slip Template section, you'll need to get hands-on with a little bit of code, but don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. You'll want to look for a specific line of code identified as shop_address.summary. Essentially, this line is a placeholder for your shop's address, and for customization purposes, you'll want to remove this detail. After locating shop_address.summary, go ahead and delete that line of code. By doing this, you're ensuring that your address won't appear on the packing slips any longer. It's a quick, efficient edit that aligns with your preferences for privacy. Once you've deleted that snippet of code, make sure to preview the template. This step lets you confirm that your address is indeed removed from the packing slip. It's crucial to double-check to make sure the edit worked perfectly and that the customization meets your expectations. And with that simple edit, you're all set. Your Shopify packing slips will now no longer display your address. It's a small change, but one that can make a big difference, providing you with peace of mind as you operate your store. Thank you for following along, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make the most out of your Shopify experience.